Welcome to first lesson. Today we will learn how to create and run our first native app. The greatest thing about React Native is that it lets us build mobile apps using the same React components you already know. We will use Expo to make the setup quick and easy. By the end of this lesson, you will see your app running on your phone or emulator, and we will even customize it a bit. First, we need to install Expo, a framework that simplifies React Native development. Instead of installing Expo globally, we will use npx. This ensures we always use the latest version. This will install Expo CLI globally, so we can use it anytime in our terminal. Now let's create our app. Let's create our first app. We will use npx create expo app to generate the project. We can just call it first app. This is the name of your app. Feel free to choose your own name. So secondly, we're gonna use template. This flag tells Expo to use the basic templates, giving us a clean starting point. And make sure that you choose a blank template. And I skipped the part for installation, so now let's just open our project which we just created. Yeah, so that's it. Just open a new window. Yeah, this is the project we just made now. So now we're gonna use an npm start to run our development server. So it's npm start. Yeah, you see it's running. So you'll see a QR code in the terminal. Scan it using Expo Go app on your phone to view the app, or open it on your emulator. You see. Now let's look at the first that Expo created for us. We'll start by opening app.js. This is the entry point of your app. It's where we define what the app looks like. Secondly, we'll go to assets. Assets, a folder for images and fonts, and followed by modules. Modules, this folder contains all the libraries and tools your app is gonna use, so don't touch it. So now let's modify a little bit. So we're gonna change it to hello React Native. And we're gonna add a styling. See, so now for example, let's change our background to yellow. Yeah, so now we can able to style our container. So secondly, let's go for text. We have to style our text, so we're gonna use the style. And with native, we use style sheet to style. So let's add our title. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, you see, this is our first app.